Good morning, traders. Ala Peters Fletcher. I'm back from New York working with institutional traders who are trading Alpha Fibonacci system. This is institutional chart in front of you where Alpha Fibonacci system spelled out. When price will come to reversal zone, expect selling pressure. In front of you, institutional key support that remains in a play, remains intact. If this level is out, S&P will go into free fall. How to trade this? How to apply proprietary system, you learn in the course. As a retail trader, as an options trader, you zoom in on micro institutional chart. This is micro institutional levels where intelligent trader again knew many months in advance. When price will come to this level, expect selling pressure. As bullish rally from the month of April came to an end. On core option traders and micro institutional chart, 6400 is a key institutional level. And we will review in this session how you knew this if trading Alpha Fibonacci system many months in advance. So as a retail trader, you always start with this chart and then you zoom in on retail day trading chart. This is where sell-off started from on Friday. This is where buyers stepped in from on Sunday. Buyers are weak and price spelled out. When price came to this critical key, bold pink line, expect selling pressure. If buyers become powerful, price would skyrocket to this level. For the last 2 days, buyers failed and selling pressure continued. So what you're witnessing in front of you is a very powerful reminder. If you understand the weakness of the buyers, and if you understand how important this moment is, no matter what chart you trade, this is your trading range this morning as a retail trader. Market oversold, buyers struggling to the upside at this critical key resistance. This is strategic intelligent chess. As you will witness next, you can trade on any instrument, any chart, any platform you choose. All you need, Fibonacci retracement tool, you insert proprietary levels, apply proprietary strategies, and trade any instrument you choose. So in addition, if you are day trading S&P, you are seeing with the software to day trade futures. This is where buyers came from this morning. From the bold green zone, but your trading range is extremely narrow. This is critical key resistance. This is critical key support. Quite a narrow and very choppy retail trading range. If you understand the power of this and simplicity of this, you understand you can only trade between these levels this morning. You also understand that this is drastically better than here. In the Alpha Fibonacci system, 21 is a very powerful Fibonacci number that intelligent trader knows how to trade. So again, we're not surprised where sellers came from. Software spelled this out, and Alpha Fibonacci system on micro retail charts identified all of this far in advance. So again, we would love to see market here. This is where you would like to monitor for bullish pressure. But where sellers stepped in from before market open is no surprise. Again, absolutely no software on this chart. No matter what chart you trade, you knew quite well that buyers are weak. Expect selling pressure from this level. So this is very important retail support where bounce came from before, but sellers picking up this theme. And again, if you understand the basics of trading, you're understanding quite well. The best place forever will be to short the top, where phenomenal shorts played out with Alpha Fibonacci system. Second best to short from decision point 1. This is extremely late shorts. So when you understand the power of the market structure, you understand quite well. This is where you want to be next. So as intelligent trader who is trading Alpha Fibonacci system, you understand trading as institutional trader who understands this morning we will see institutional support in a play is extremely important historical event. This is a preview of much more volatility to come in the months and years next. And as intelligent trader, you would know how to take advantage of that. This is micro Nasdaq that my prop firm traders who are trading $1 million accounts are still trading on micro Nasdaq to manage risks. Again, as you see in a single class, you knew months in advance where selling pressure would come from. And you understand quite well, 24,300 level on Nasdaq is historical level. You will witness this level in a play this morning. And when you zoom in on micro institutional chart, you are seeing clearly selling pressure in a progress, Nasdaq continues selling off. And you know many months in advance, this is critical key institutional support. Again, 25,200 level is ideal place to short. So when you zoom in on micro chart and you understand the power of this, you're understanding quite well. Nasdaq heading to here. Pure and simple. But again, we would love to see Nasdaq here. Nasdaq oversold, and that's the reason for this bullish pullbacks. And that's strategic intelligent chess, as you will see next, on stocks, on Forex, and futures, as traders all over the world trading since 2011, from complete beginners to institutional traders. Again, with a single glimpse, intelligent trader knew not to buy this level. This is a crucial key charts on S&P and Nasdaq. That's it. So again, market oversold, stock in junky bullish retail correction that confirmed buyers extremely weak. That's your crucial key preparation for your trading day. Without preparation for trading day, there is no success. If you understand where selling pressure came from, if you understand oversold markets, if you understand retail versus institutional trading range, number one, you're trading markets as intelligent strategic chats. Number two, you can manage your own investments much better than financial advisor would. Number three, you have complete flexibility to trade any instrument, any time frame, any platform you will choose. So again, market oversold, we are monitoring this level. We're in double green zone, buyers are weak. Pure and simple. How you prepare for your trade is at least 80% of your success rate. The final 4 steps, the actual trade execution, is very final, very simple step. So again, to recap, to remind you, this is where shorting is a wise thing to do. This is where oversold market gave you weak bullish pullback. We're monitoring a very important place on S&P, as again, these levels correlate not just with retail, but with institutional buy point. So this is extremely important morning. Again, I can convert this chart to any chart I choose. You make a personal decision on the chart you prefer to trade. All depends on your risk tolerance, on your financial circumstances. So please pay attention. As again, on retail chart, market oversold. Please pay attention how powerful this is and why institutional traders trading this. Here's Alpha Fibonacci system in the months of March. Tariff war zone. Intelligent trader understands where to monitor for bullish pressure many months in advance. By the time second week in April comes, institutions start buying the markets despite tariff war getting worse. If you understand the power of this, and if you understand institutional buy point 5,000 was a flawless opportunity to trade for retail trader, for investor, where massive numbers of longs played out until the months of July, you've been buying, not selling the market, riding institutional power. In the months of July, we started seeing bearish corrections. Here is reversal zone. Price no longer at 5,000 level. We are at 65.97. Almost 1,600 points later. As market reached 6,800 points, 1,800 points of the bullish rally that you could have traded as an investor and as a retail trader and as an options trader. So here comes buyers to the tick. This never gets sold, I promise. The only thing we need to see, powerful buyers. After all, price reached reversal zone. No gambling, no speculation here. Ultimate simplicity and predictive precision that you will never ever find anywhere else, as I continue developing my systems for the last 21 years. Buyers are here, and far in advance you know where war zone will be. You understand the difference between powerful versus weak buyers. Reversal zone is reached. No gambling, no speculation here. You will witness identical event on Nvidia, on Apple, on Amazon, on Euro, on US dollar, on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on any instrument you would choose to trade. Predictive simplicity and precision is the power of proprietary alpha Fibonacci system. We're off to the races, traders. How to trade this, you learn in the course. Again, after all, you witness, if you decide to day trade futures with Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8, you are not surprised where buyers coming from. Correct? On S&P. Nasdaq is not in ideal place. So again, I love converting software to 1 minute chart. Reflect on that, please. Again, Alpha Fibonacci system spelled out hours and days in advance where to monitor for long. So when your core retail chart correlates with core institutional chart, it's an ultimate place to monitor for reversal. Rules are met, take a trade. Doesn't matter if you trade tick, if you trade range, doesn't matter what chart you trade, pure and simple. And again, far in advance you know, this level to follow, this level will be war zone next. But again and again and again, how to trade this, you learn in the course. S&P already pulled back 7 points. Move is up. So this is how alert shows up on the scanner. Intelligent trader understands when single alert shows up, it's weakness. When institutions buying the markets, you have massive numbers of alerts, massive numbers of bullish entries. Single alert constitutes weakness. It's a painful crawl. So this is a software I choose to project on 1 minute chart, as you see the simplicity and where market sold off from this morning. This is incredibly important moment in front of you. This is bullish weakness that continues at the huge fight, correct? Again, single alert, not multiple alerts, with very painful crawl. Intelligent trader understands where pain and crawl coming from. Like a clock. The most important rule in a play, where pain is present. So again, on the right, I'm projecting the chart on 3 minutes. On the left, I'm projecting the chart on 1. Market rallying, correct? Intelligent trader knows and understands how to trade this. All spelled out far in advance. No speculative moves, no gambling. Again, institutional level correlating with retail level is the most powerful place you can monitor for entry. Again, when you understand the power of Fibonacci numbers and you understand that on the right I have absolutely no software, none. On the left I do. Critical key moment in front of you. Right now, intelligent traders start scaling out. Again, all depends on your risk management, on your risk tolerance, on your personal financial circumstances. Again, we knew extremely well this morning, well before market open, that market oversold and that this is not the place to short near, but to monitor for bullish reversal. Critical key level in front of you on my right. Converting this chart to 5. Next, you will witness how you can trade this on any instrument. Nasdaq rallying again. I'm focusing on S&P. More and more bullish alerts skyrocket. Again, critical key target in a play. All depends on the lot size you trade. So next year I'm making huge changes as I celebrate 15-year anniversary as we speak this week since the launch of the website. For the last 20 years, I chose to say no to top financial institutions as I refuse to work in cubicle, I refuse to be on schedule. I choose to create global exclusive community of incredibly powerful, confident traders. Fathers bringing their children, husbands bringing their wives, friends bringing their friends to the course. This is exactly the reason why. Because you have opportunity to buy the bottom and sell the top as institutional trader. No matter what instrument you trade, your trading day is done. That's it. Nothing else you need to do. You're increasing the lot size, not the number of trades. You are not a gambler. You are not a speculator. You have zero interest in random trading. You have zero interest in speculative stops, speculative targets. You have zero interest being a majority. Your only interest to stand out from the crowd and to represent 5 top % traders globally. That's it. You trading markets as intelligent, strategic chess. Nothing else is needed ever. As next, we will review multiple other instruments. So again, to recap, we knew where institutional traders would buy from. By looking at key institutional chart, correct? Price spelled out, this is key institutional support tested today. Response at this level will define markets for months and weeks to come. Correlation of retail reversal zone on every single retail chart spelled out. We are preparing for phenomenal morning. So it doesn't matter if you trade 3, 10, 5, 15, all of this spelled out in advance. Buy the bottom, sell the top. Enjoy. All you need is your phenomenal brain, pure price, and proprietary alpha Fibonacci strategies with proprietary alpha Fibonacci retracements. I do not use standard Fibonacci numbers, only my own proprietary numbers. And that's where bullish rally started from. Converted this chart to 1, so you witness it 2 the tick. Again, expecting pullback here. Very important moment. Critical key targets are reached. All the traders who are trading single and double lot size, all the students, all the graduates of the course understand where to exit longs. So if you manage to pull from this market, for example, 10 points on S&P on a single lot, $500. On 10 lots, $5,000. Is anyone surprised where selling pressure coming from? My goodness, RZ means reversal zone. Shock or not, you will never ever need anything else. You know where to exit your trade. You're not a gambler, you're not a speculator. You're not wasting your time on nonsense and noise and hiding pure price. You are trading pure, you are trading strategically. You understand how crucial, critical this level is. 2 the tick. So pay attention please. Intelligent trader understands the power of bearish pullback determined by response at this level. If sellers are worthless, bullish rally will continue crawling up here. Correct? So pay attention as S&P continue doing this. Let's go to other charts. US dollar. Catastrophic collapse played out from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone identified many months in advance. Nvidia. Spectacular bullish rally and reversal zone both identified many months in advance. Apple. Apple buyers are weak. Apple selling off from identical level that you will see S&P at next. Euro. Skyrocketed despite catastrophic war in Europe, and you knew this many months in advance. Right now euro selling off because it reached reversal zone. Bitcoin. Massive correction zone, 1100 level, 11,000 level is a lifeline for Bitcoin. Ethereum. Ethereum 3500 level is crucial on Ethereum. If you witness this ultimate precision to the tick and you understand the power of this. For the last 20 years I've been saying no to top financial institutions on the planet. I also have no social media, I have no Instagram, I have no Discord, I have zero interest in noise. I have only interest surrounding myself with quality, intelligent human beings who are interested only in quality trading. So if you're fortunate enough to grab the last few spaces that left in Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp, please understand what I do no one else in the world does. I continue building my proprietary systems. I continue developing what no one else in the world does. Here's a glimpse on my work this year. Only few of the strategies. And if you will see my text messages flying through from all over the world from graduates of the course who keep me updated on their performance, you understand. As Kurt is here with us this morning. Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp November 10th through 14 is phenomenal opportunity to join us. As Kurt is joining us for bootcamp number what, Kurt? Can you share? Bootcamp number 10, 15, 20. This is a bootcamp number 15, not bootcamp number 10. So many graduates of the course signing up for the bootcamp every single year. So this is what Patrick just joined for. As very big words are flying from graduates of the course who know and understand my work. Patrick will be in the next bootcamp. Again, Sue will be joining us to share her journey and story. My dearest friend for life. She was in the last bootcamp. Theo is a legend. Loves stopping by in the middle of the night in Australia. So if you understand the power of this and you witnessed all of this live, I highly encourage you to remember This is what traders all over the world say, who are trading stocks, Forex, crypto. Ken is trading crypto on his iPhone. Michael brought his daughter to the course. Pablo was complete beginner trader. Michael and I been together 15 years. His daughter right now 17. She started trading my own system when she was 12. We need an updated photo. Pablo, my dearest friend for life, closed his law practice, now prop firm trader. Every single one of this trading is different instrument, different time frame, different platform. Terry, legend. Absolute joy working with Terry. Good morning. Prop firm trader that's shown right out of the gate how powerful trading can become when you obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. So no matter what instrument you trade, no matter what is your background, no matter what is your account, you can do this, as proven by traders all over the world, from 12, from beginner to hedge fund manager to top financial institutions who obey and respect my work. So the events of this morning had shown you clearly Alpha Fibonacci system allows you to buy the bottom and sell the top, correct? Very important moment in front of you. We're gonna find out if this is retail rally or this is institutional rally. We knew quite well that bearish pullback is weak, correct? Here it comes, crucial key moment. Again, we knew where market heading to, with and without software, correct? Again, doesn't matter what chart you trade, you install proprietary level on any platform you choose to trade. TradingView, Interactive Brokers, Thinkorswim, MT4, MT5, TradeStation, Infinity, whatever platform has Fibonacci tool, you can trade the system on. That's it, pure and simple. So selling pressure is on when critical key level is reached. We knew where selling pressure would play out from. Trading is a spiritual experience, as you see clearly. Choose a tick, market is preset. And I prove this to you every single day. Shock or not, when I worked in Johns Hopkins Psychiatry and Research, I witnessed the power of colors on human brain. Selling pressure is weak, traders. It's a good news for trader who remains long, trader who is using options, or trader who is using multiple lot sizes. Critical key event playing out live. Again, doesn't matter if it's 5, if it's 10, if it's 15. Key level is reached. That's it. Pure and simple. And that's the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system on S&P mini future, on stocks, on Forex, on crypto. On various charts, you can trade. So as institutional traders taking Alpha Fibonacci trading bootcamp time and time again, and you're fortunate enough to grab the last few spots, sooner you sign up, more prepared for the trading bootcamp you will be. You can always sign up to witness the Alpha Fibonacci system in the live markets. So again, please understand we're down only to 4 spots. I always keep everything very exclusive, very private. Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp at no extra cost to new students. So when you sign up for regular course, for group or private mentoring, the most desirable option, with a bootcamp savings 10,000 plus. Group course, the most popular option, savings almost 8,000 plus. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. And again, option 2 and 4 are all inclusive. You receive lifetime system for all platforms, all instruments, all time frames, and you receive proprietary software to day trade futures on Ninja Trader 8. And when you click on our students' performance, you understand this is less than 1% of the emails I receive. You understand If complete beginner trader can trade futures, stocks, Forex, crypto, options, and become prop firm trader, anyone can. Pablo will be stopping by in bootcamp to share his journey. So please review the details about the bootcamp, as I expect extreme events in financial markets. More volatility, more you learn. Again, absolutely no extra cost to new students. For graduates of the course, very special discounted rate available. As again, hundreds of graduates signing up for every single bootcamp I will ever teach, that again you can view in video member area 24/7. You do not have to come to live classes. Sooner you sign up, more prepared for the bootcamp you will be. All will play out live, posted in member area that you can watch 24/7. Day traders, position traders, stock traders, futures traders, crypto, index, commodity traders, all invited to join in bootcamp. Psychology will be addressed, absolutely. So you can stop being majority and stop joining top traders in the world. And this is what S&P is doing now. My goodness, struggling at this level. Did we know it would? Of course, to the tick, this never, ever gets old. But with a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows buyers are weak. As again, this is what playing out on S&P, but this is what playing out on Apple. So whatever instrument you will decide to trade, it's your personal decision. Every strategy I ever developed applies to every instrument, every time frame, every platform. That's it. So thank you traders so much for spectacular morning. Please listen to podcasts of my students. Listen how 14-year-old trading the system. Listen how beginner trader trading the system. Listen how future stocks, Forex, crypto traders trading the system all over the world. My students are my marketing superpower. Any questions for me? Please do not hesitate to contact me. Simply click on Contact Us section or call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. This video had been recorded and will be posted on our YouTube channel. Please sign up for our YouTube channel to receive the latest updates. Thank you so much, everyone.